Hey guys, welcome to stage 2 of the build on the 76 series. Today we're getting the suspension done. We're down here at Ape Suspension in Lansdale, Perth, WA, and they're going to put the 3-inch EFS what are they, resi shocks on there. So it should bring her up. They reckon it's going to level it out at about 2.5 inch lift after all the weight and all that distributes, later on. So let's get into it. We'll get the boys, all the pros out there, and they'll take it in and they can do their little bit.